Hi, I'm Laura Handke, Lake Oswego's transformational voice teacher, and I'm here on LinkedIn spotlighting some of my contacts and celebrating how people are using their voices in the world. And today I want to talk about Shontaye Hawkins of Profit is the New Black. Now, Shontaye calls herself a bottom line strategist who uses her extensive finance background and ability to see through the numbers to get your profit game plan for success. She helps you eliminate money leaks, gain the clarity and confidence you need to position yourself, identify your very own profit strategy based on your goals and your dreams, and ultimately achieve growth plus profit for mega results. Shontaye gets your profits rolling with winning solutions to define, create, and cultivate true success in all areas, life and in business. She has worked for Fortune 500 companies such as Goldman Sachs and Company, the Bank of New York, in addition to other industry leaders like Grant Thornton. Shontaye is passionate about encouraging entrepreneurs and business professionals to reach their full potential and build successful, more profitable futures starting today. Now, I first met Shontaye on Facebook somehow, and I ended up in her Profit is the New Black Facebook group there. And I love the fact that there are several cooks in that group because I like to cook too. In fact, I like to cook so much that I wrote a cookbook. So Shontaye is also a runner. She loves to read and spend time with family and friends. Now, one thing I really appreciate about Shontaye is the fact that she recognizes that in our culture, in our society, basically we were raised to grow up, go to college, get a job working for somebody else's business or corporation, and then wait for eventual retirement. Well, that's really great for some people, but it doesn't work for all of us who want to strike out on our own, become entrepreneurs, be our own bosses. So if you fall into that category or are a business leader yourself, go ahead and check out Shontaye Hawkins' Profit is the New Black. Thanks for joining me for this little video. I'm Laura Handke, Lake Oswego's transformational voice teacher. And to sign up for your 30-minute vocal consultation or my next Saturday voice lab, you can find me at laurahandke.com or right here on LinkedIn.